So in the previous video, I was solving this numerical and something happened. Sorry for that. So this we were calculating that if our phi index is, we were verifying actually if my phi index is correct or not. So what I said is to verify, you should calculate the runoff based on this phi index, which is nothing but area of the hyetograph above your phi index, which you have got. So when I calculate the area of my hyetograph, a graph above this, so what I'll get is 8 minus 3.7 plus 12 minus 3.7 plus 6 minus 3.7. So if I calculate roughly, it is coming out to be as 14.9 centimeter. So my runoff given to me is 15 centimeters. The error has come because I have taken 3.7. Actual answer is 3.67. So if you verify, you will get that the phi index which you have is correct. How? Because it is justifying that all these rainfall values are above this phi index, and then corresponding to that, whatever rainfall you will have, that will be equal to runoff. So this is how you can cross verify. This was another type of numerical. Now we'll discuss one more type of numerical based on phi index. I hope with this it will be better for you to understand. So this is another type of numerical that we have. So in this question, it is given to you, hyetograph is given to you in the form of intensity of rainfall is in centimeters per day and time is given in day. So in this question, a hyetograph is given to you, that is rainfall intensities for 5 days is given. And then what else is given to you is the phi index of this event. Question is asking what is the runoff that is generated, what is the direct runoff which is generated from this rainfall event due to this storm. So how we will proceed? It is very straightforward question. You know the area of hyetograph represents, if I talk about the hyetograph, the total area under the hyetograph gives you the total rainfall. Total area of hyetograph. Now area of hyetograph represents, below the phi index represents what? I said phi index is nothing but the average rate of infiltration. So the area below the phi index represents the losses. Which losses? Infiltration plus initial losses. So if I subtract the losses from rainfall, what will I get? I'll get runoff. So the area of hyetograph below the phi index represents the losses. Which losses? Initial losses. What are initial losses? Infiltration. Initial losses are interception and depression storage and infiltration. So this is represented by the area below the phi index. If the question comes out that find out the losses that occur due to rainfall other than runoff, so you always have to find out the area below phi index. Whereas the area of hyetograph above phi index will give you runoff. So in this question, the question is asking you to calculate the runoff. So runoff will be very easy. You can find out. Phi index is 3 centimeter per day. Please note that the first day rainfall intensity is 3 centimeter per day. So you should know that if the intensity of rainfall is equal to or less than phi index, there will be no runoff. Here it is equal to phi index, so there will be no runoff here. If it is 3.1, we'll get runoff corresponding to 0.1. So here, very simple, it is 6 minus 3 plus 9 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3. So I'll get 11 centimeters will be my runoff. So This will be my answer, 11 centimeters. Now, if the area of catchment is also given to you, sometimes this can also happen that the question will ask you the volume of runoff generated due to this rainfall. So you just simply multiply it with the area of catchment, you will get the volume of runoff. And then maybe the question can ask you in desired units, say million meter cube or hectare meter. Accordingly, you can convert. Sometimes, while in the previous problems, I have given you the runoff depth. Question may not give you the runoff depth. Question may give you runoff volume, and also area of catchment will be given. So in that case, you can find out the runoff for this formula. What I am trying to say, for this formula of find x, runoff was given to you. You are simply substituting. Sometimes question may give you runoff volume, so you convert it into depth by dividing it with the area. So these things are very easy to understand. I hope this is clear, and I understand my way of writing is a bit rough because see, I'm not used to of this, but yeah, with time I'll make it better for you guys. I hope you understand this. If there is any doubt, please comment, and then we'll come out with better problems on Findex. Mostly gate and ES problems we'll be covering. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.